I'm looking forward to my continued work with Oakland County Mental Health. I'm looking forward to finishing school, hopefully buying a new vehicle, and losing 100 pounds.
In the new year, I'm looking forward to becoming more involved in my community and taking advantage of volunteer opportunities and getting my children more involved as well.
For the next year, I want to do something to enhance my lifestyle, not just to obtain some goals, but to do something consistently throughout the week and throughout the month that contributes to my wellness. As a goal, I would like to get in for some RAP facilitation training, to be able to do some hands-on training, or also do some Myers-Briggs training.
In the new year, I'm looking forward to feeling great and continuing my work with Easter Seals and just having a great time.
What I would like to accomplish next year, I would like to find a part-time job working in the field with mentally ill, helping some of the people go through some of the things that I have went through so they wouldn't have such a long haul back to recovery. And continue to work with CMH. And to stay well. That's the most important thing for me, to stay well.
I'm looking forward to in the new year is the beginning of another new baseball season. And with the beginning of a new baseball season, there's always the hope that the Detroit Tigers will be the World Series champs. So I'm really looking forward to going to games, enjoying the summer, and working towards that championship this year.
2012 is going to be an exciting year for me and my family. We are going to be going on a trip to Israel. I'm looking forward to spending a lot of family time throughout the year, and specifically during those 10 days. Looking forward in 2012 to deliver health care options to the people that we serve through the creation of OHIN and then our adjustment to that. And lastly, I'm looking forward to a year-long set of Spartan victories in any sport that they do. Go Green.